Alright guys, here we have two single canine caps with the back bar. Okay, now check this out. Here's the back side. This is a 10K solid gold grill. You see the stamp right there, 10K, and we have it there as well. This is the hidden back bar bridge that connects the two teeth together, and this is what it looks like from the front. This is made of, like I said, from solid 10K gold. It's handmade for a perfect custom fit. It is available on our website, blingcartel.com. Okay, now look at that fit. It's gonna be a perfect fit. You get free shipping in the US. You also get a free mold kit. It is available on our website, blingcartel.com. Check that out, guys. Alright guys, so here we go. We're gonna go do a quick test here on these 10K solid gold caps with the back bar. Okay, I'm using the GT Express by Tri Electronics mini gold tester. This will tell us if it's not gold. 10K, 14K, 18K. Very accurate, guys. Okay, here we go. So I'm gonna go ahead and put it to the test. There you go, guys. 10K or more. Solid gold, 10K caps, blingcartel.com.